back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get all the latest information for your gadgets out here. And today we are going to talk about Lenovo's Yoga 920 out here. Talking about 920 or talking about Yoga series. Yoga is really a great series out here by Lenovo. Talking about this Yoga series, then we can say it has got really amazing designs out here. Designs are really great. Along with the sleekiness they have come over the period of time. The evolution in the series is really good. The internal components are so amazing that this variant is quite good out there. They have released out really amazing variants in the internal components. Now, talking about the specified version that is 920 out here, let us talk about this variant. Talking about this variant, the highlights of this variant would be the sleeky design it has. Design for Yoga series is definitely amazing, but this design has got more sleeker, more better design with facilitations out there, or we can say it is really great functionality out there offered in this variant. Along with that, if you talk about the sensitivity level, we talk about the sensitivity that has also increased with a Windows system. Yes, the operating system, Windows system has increased out with a long voice assistance range. You get to see a lot of other specifications, a lot of things out there which are absolutely same as compared to the Yoga series out there. Like the sleeky designs is definitely increased, but the 360-degree design, the display type, 4K display type could also be seen in the video versions also. So these kind of versions are also seen in this variant. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant is definitely amazing. A great variant out here offering you great range of specifications, great range of connectivities. But what does this Yoga 920 is all about? The Yoga 920 has got an upgraded version as compared to Yoga 910. 910 से compare करें तो it has upgraded itself. As well as you will also find that this variant is definitely great version offering you great range of display connectivities, internal categories, these all things. So talking about this variant, let us talk about the processing system used in it. If we talk about the processor, then you get to see that it offers you up to 8th generation Intel Core i7 new processor. So this is a very different thing out there that is offering up to, like you can have customization in this. Up to 8th generation Intel Core i7U processor is being used. Talking about this processor, it works very well with Windows 10 editor out here. Yes, if we talk about the editing system inbuilt in it, if we talk about the edition used in the operating system, that is Windows Home Edition, Windows 10 Home Edition is being used. Apart from that, talking about this variant, we can see that this has got a screen size of 13.9 inches. This is definitely great functionality, like approximately 14 inches with IPS technology inbuilt in it. Yes. But the resolution, if you talk about the display, there are two different displays out there. You can have either full HD display or ultra HD display. So these are the two different variants available in this version. Either full HD or ultra HD display, two different variants available. Now, when this display is differing, does it also offers a difference in the graphical part? No. The graphical part is absolutely same in both the variants, in the computerization and the functionality. It offers you integrated Intel HD graphics. Yes, it offers you Intel HD graphics out there, which is integrated out here, along with the webcam, which is offering you HD 720 pixelization out there. So this could be seen out in this variant. Talking about this variant, we can see that the RAM quality offered out here is definitely great. It might offer you variations, and we can say that it offers you up to 16 GB DDR4 RAM type. Yes, up to 16 GB RAM type could be seen out here in the form of DDR4. You can have either 8 GB, 12 GB, 16 GB type RAM out there. 4 GB could also be seen, but usually 4 GB does not work well and is a very short storage out there. So usually we start with the 8 GB now. As it is talking about this variant, we can say that since the storage is being different, since the RAM is being differed, so does the storage capacity also differ? Yes, the storage also differs out. Talking about the storage, it offers you approximately up to 1 TB storage in the form of SSD, SSD is the hard drive type storage it is being offered. SSD is the storage type, offering you up to 1 TB. It might have 256 GB, it might offer you 512 GB, or it might offer you 1 TB. So it can be easily customized. Yes, you can customize your variant out there. Talking about the customization, it can also customize your battery life. You can customize your battery life also. It might vary, like if you are having an ultra HD display type variant, then it might last up to 10 hours. Yes, it might last up to 10 to 10 and a half hours if you are using ultra HD. If you are using full HD display type variant, then it might last up to 15 to 15 and a half hours. So this is the variation because of which it might differ. Talking about the audio quality, then it offers you 2 GBL speakers along with Dolby Atom vision as well as headphones out there. Security system could be seen out as a fingerprint readers with the Windows Hello system, along with input output audio ports out there, USB connectors out there, along with connectivities out there in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. So these are the things you might find at this variant. You might find that this variant is not working so well because it is offering you some other specifications, but it is offering you great range of specification in this variant. Yes, you might find that the variations might not be up to the uh, expectations, but they are offering you a much better and a much great variant out there as compared to Yoga series. Talking about this Yoga series, we can say that the Yoga series has got really amazing sleeky design, amazing functionalities, good functional variations out there. So offering you this kind of a variant, we can say that this offers you great range of connectivity, productivity, as well as the audio output, video output out there. So let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing, let us visit out this site. The site name is justatclick.com. Yes, talking about the site is justatclick.com, which offers you great range of products, great range of gadgets out there in your pocket friendly rates. Yes, pocketable rates, pocket friendly rates out there. As well as this site offers you a customization option. Like we have already just read about the customization in a product. So this site helps you to customize your product as per your needs. Talking about the product, let us talk about the specified gadget that we can search in a very limited format. Yes, you can search in a very limited format out here. So this is the result out here of our search, Yoga 920. This variant we are looking at has got 16 GB, which can be customized easily. Yes, you can customize your gadget out here. As well as this is a small description box out here. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is offering you a category that is refurbished category out here. So let us talk about this refurbished category and see what is refurbished product. Talking about the refurbished products or refurbished brand out here, we can say that refurbished and brand new products, they are quite similar. As well as when we talk about refurbished word itself, then we can say that refurbished word means creating something newly like again. So this is what all refurbished means. And when we say about refurbished or brand new, then the structurality, functionalities, as well as the tests are actually same out here. You will not find any difference out there in the structural, that is the design out here. As well as talking about these variants, then we can say the internal functions are actually same. They are quite same, like whatever the company has stated, they are actually providing the same things. The major difference lies out in the ownership out there. Yes, the ownership has a difference in the role play out here. Talking about the ownership, brand new gadgets are actually untouched. They are from the company itself, direct release from the company. Whereas refurbished products are the ones pre-owned gadgets. These are called the pre-owned gadgets out here. So talking about these gadgets, let us see the pathway which involves how this is pre-owned. Talking about the pathway that follows a common pathway, that is the base, mediator, and the consumer. This is the pathway followed out. And we can say that refurbished pathway is the extension of brand new. We can say that. Talking about the brand new pathway, we can say Brand new involves the base, which is the company from where the product is being released in the market out here. So this is called as base. Marketplace is nothing else but the, you can say, a bridge out here between the user and the consumer. Yes, this could be said out as this way. Yes, the marketplace is this, whereas the bridge is between company and user, because this has to be somewhere where we can collect and company can sell out. After that, it comes to the user. Yes, now the product is with the user out here. Now user has the power, the product in hand. So this is what refurb brand new is all about. This dominates the product out here. Now the gadget is pre-owned. The gadget or the brand or the model, everything is with the user. Now this user becomes the base for refurbished products, because that is pre-owned gadget out here. That product is with the person itself and wants to resell off. Yes, want to resell. Then it is brought back to the marketplace. It is brought back to the mediators. It is brought back in the sites out here, which it can be resold. Yes, or we can resell it. It can be resold out there. Everything could be done. मतलब उस product को हम दोबारा से market में लेकर आते हैं. Now it is brought in the market and is being resold to the new user under the category of refurbished. Yes, this is a new category called refurbished, and this is what refurbished is all about. Now another difference lies out here is the testing parameter, testing, we can say, timing. Now what happens is a company, before bringing into the marketplace, tests it. Yes, it is being tested out here. The product is being verified. Everything is being done. Now what happens is, uh, in refurbished products, the product is being tested in the website or the marketplace itself before reselling it. Yes, before it is brought for reselling, it is to be tested in the marketplace. So this is the major difference out here. Now talking about the tests out there, then we can say that there are the same tests which are involved in brand new, whether it is external or internal parameters involving. Like the external involves the display out here, the camera, the buttons out there, the touchpad, the connectors out there, the scratches, everything has to be seen. The display type out there, recording out there, everything has to be checked. मतलब externally जो हम check कर सकते हैं without the use of any equipment or any specified gadget, it has to be checked. Once it is checked out, then it is brought back to the internal parameters. Yes, now external is cleared out. It is given a certificate for external parameters. It is brought to the internal parameters, which are checked out. And once it is checked out, then you get to see that external parameters, whether internal, there are various internal components out there, like the processing system, GPU, CPU out there, cache memory, RAM, storage type out there, connectivity, battery life, battery backup out there, internal processing, spindle fibers out, spindle rotation out there, uh, rotational speed, the speed out for the RAM out there. Everything has to be checked. Internal connectivities, internal parameters has to be checked. Now, these internal parameters require a specified, we can say, gadget or specified testing tools, softwares out there. So they are used in these parameters. Once they have been tested, they are brought back to the site with a certification called refurbished or brand certified refurbished. These brand new products are only refurbished products, yes. So we can clearly say that once or always a refurbished product is once a brand new. Yes, once a brand new product can be considered as a refurbished after pre-ownization. So this is what happens out. Now talking about these tests, structure is same, design is same, everything is same out there. So what are the benefits or why it is there, why the two different categories? Talking about these categories, then refurbished products offer you a great benefits out here over brand new. Number one is the rates. Yes, profitable rates. Usually what happens that brand new products are quite expensive out there. They are slightly expensive, we can say, once they're released. Whereas the refurbished products are less expensive, we can say, or they are quite pocketable. We can say that they are quite pocketable rates. They are not very expensive out here so that we need to spend a lot of money on them. They are slightly less expensive. Now, since their ratings differ, their pricing differ, so you get to save a lot of money. Yes, you can save a lot of money out here. So this is another point that you get to save a great savings. Apart from that, we already know that brand new products offers you a 1 year warranty period. Yes, you get to have a warranty period, but once a pre-owned phone is brought by us, then we usually don't get warranty period. But if you have a condition written on it that is refurbished or certified refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Yes, this is what you get to have, 6 months warranty period along with 7 day exchange policy, 7 days exchange policy. That is a week exchange policy also you get to have. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new product. And talking about these benefits, let us see this site offers you same benefits or not. Yes, the site named justatclick.com offers you great benefits, great gadgets, a pocketable friendly rates. We can say pocket friendly rates are there. Delivery time is quite good. COD is available out here. Yes, justatclick.com offers you COD. You get to have hassle-free shopping, free shipping out there, as well as shipping timing is also great out here. It offers you 48-hour shipping timing in most parts of UAE, whereas Saudi it might take up to a week, and it might differ upon the timing and the process out there. As well as this site offers you something very amazing, that it offers you customization option also. Yes, what does this customization means? That every gadget has got a different structurality, different internal components. There might be difference in the we can say RAM storage or the normal storage capacity, the Intel processing out there. So there are differences in there. So you can customize your gadget according to your requirement. All that you can do with the helpline number. And if you want to customize also, you can let us know by your order placement. So this site's link has been given in the description, so you can check it out. As well as I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.